Hey guys, so this is just going to be a quick supplement video to the last video. So just real quick, I just wanted to show you how to set up the alerts. I did show you this in both videos, but you're just going to go, you see this little alarm clock here? You can click on it and it's going to we're going to create an alert on the Trendmaster indicator. Now for some reason, and this is a me problem. This isn't the rest of you. It works for everyone else. For whatever reason, it doesn't work for me on a laptop. But this is exactly how you will set it up. So again, just click on the alert button there. You're going to have to click on a buy and a sell. Do both a buy and a sell one, okay? So this is, again, the 1 hour chart, right? So just going off my last video, just ending it or starting there. You click on this drop down box, go to Trendmaster, okay? Buy. I want you to click on once per bar close. You could call it Trendmaster buy hourly or whatever you want to name it is fine. Okay. Message, you can put you can put something like buy SPY calls 3 days out, no less than $250. Okay, and when you get that alert, all right, and you click save or create, oh well, it's working for me now, that's good. It will save as an alert, okay? And then you can go ahead and you can do the same thing for sell signal. So again, just going right back, Trendmaster. This time we're going to put sell. So when we get a sell signal, we want an alert to come to us, right? Once per bar close. I want it open-ended for me, but if you're the free version, I think they only let you go 90 days out. So you're going to have to redo this every 90 days if you're not paying for TradingView, okay? And same thing, right? So I want Trendmaster. This is going to be puts, right? So Trendmaster sell hourly. We could do something like puts. You know what I mean? And then same thing, buy SPY puts for 3 days out for no more than, or no less, sorry, no less than $250, okay? So, and then I would create that alert. I'm not going to hit create. I'm just going to, I don't have Robinhood or any brokers pulled up here at the moment, so I'm just going to go off my phone. You're not going to be able to see this, but if you go to Robinhood or whatever broker you have, go ahead, go to SPY. Again, you should be approved for options already. If you're not, DM me and I'll give you the rundown on that, okay? So I said what? About 3 days out. So today is the 4th. So let's say June 7th, okay? So I would look at June 7th puts for no less than $250. So let's see what comes up here. My internet is being a little slow, so it's not showing me prices. Let's try that again. June 7th. puts, no less, what did I say, no less than 250. So right now the June 7th 525 puts are about 270, so I would buy something like that. Um, so now obviously by the time you watch this video that price is going to change, but it's very simple. So you just, again, 3 days out, today's June 4th. So if you're watching this, on June 10th, you would you'd buy what? June 13th puts, okay, for no less than $250. So you would go and see what SPY June 15th puts are more than $250 and buy any of those, okay? Very simple, very straightforward, all right? So, and then obviously you can hit create and the alert will save. Now, whenever we get a signal, or whenever you get a signal, you'll get a notification. You'll get an alert notification saying, hey, buy this. Okay? That's it. That's all there is to it. So, thanks for watching.